Okay, here's a little video before we get started working on this 88 Fj62. This is how I got it. Custom grill. Looks like it's made out of a lawn chair. Probably have to do something about that. Under the hood, filthy. And we'll do something about that as well. Probably a lot of cleanup work under there. Body overall is pretty straight. Somebody put these little guys on here, turn signal indicators. Back here, let's see, we got some quarter panel damage. Nothing too major. Wheels off of, who knows. Rear bumper is pretty straight, which is good. Might need a new end cap on one side or maybe both. Tailgate looks like it's got a little bit of rust down there at the bottom. Have to fix that. That purple tint's got to go. What else do we got here? Some more little quarter panel damage. Not terrible. Take a look inside here. We've got a aged interior for sure. The dash looks good though. Save some dollars there. Those are usually vinyls cracked, not looking good. We got a decent headliner that looks just dirty. If we can clean it up, we'll leave it in there. If not, replace it. You can tell even through this seat cover that seat's pretty bad. Do something about that. Haven't decided if this one's going to get a stick shift or not yet. We'll see. That carpet looks good, just needs to be cleaned. Might replace it, who knows, we'll see when it comes out. Rear seat looks pretty good. Some more custom speaker stuff in the back there, that's nice. Cargo area, I do have all those trim panels, so I don't need to search for those, that's good. Clean up, maybe a little repair on them. Anyway, there we go. That's pretty much it to start with before we get started, and we'll see where it goes.